What is Sandhya Vandana? The Indians have a wonderful sadhana in terms of Sandhya Vandana. In Sandhya Vandana, there's a particular sadhana called Brahma Yajna, Rishi Tarpana, which is there across as a person. Now, I have seen in many people who have psychiatric problem in their house or who has murder, suicide in their house, they are unable to do the Tarpana properly. They are unable to do the Shraddha of the year properly. They have a lot of problem into their life. They are emotionally very disturbed. They have a lot of difficulty. Whenever you do Brahma Yajna, there is a lot of ancestors who become very happy, and the entire Rishi Parampara becomes very, very happy across as a person. Now, you can see the world as a portal, and the world portal is connected to the Sukshama world, what you call the subtle world. The subtle world has a lot of being, and the subtle world has a lot of connection. Now you take a Google. Now you take your cell phone. You are the cell phone. You are connected with the many apps, and one of the app is the lineage karma. Now when people die, they are very hungry and they are very thirsty. They have a particular speed in which they have hunger and thirst. Now what happens is, all these people are not fed, all these people are not feeling peaceful within themselves. So that is why they tend to curse their entire lineage. They feel very bad about it. So in turn you have a lot of mood swing. That's why many people have mood swing in Tuesdays and Saturdays when the lower astral world opens up. During the Ashtami, Navami, Dasami and Trayodasi, Shashti and the Pratipada, many people have a lot of mood swing, especially towards a Rahu Kal. All these things, people have a lot of mood swing across. That is because the lower astral world opens up, and their what you call the psychic body gets connected to their ancestors, and normally they pick up the disturbance like a resonance, like the two share it, like that kind of thing, the resonance happen, and they find it very, very difficult. So doing the Tarpana helps you to calm your mind, and also the Tarpana has to be done for 96 days. Now if you do Brahma Yajnam, which is very, very good, you are doing the Rishi Tarpana, because as you proceed forward, you will have to take the refuge, and you will have to acknowledge the great masters and the great beings of light to help you travel in the path. Now spirituality is a slow process, it's a step-by-step process for most of the people. Very advanced soul and sadhak will be able to take the leap, step and jump. Now all these people are not aware that it takes time. The so-called modern gurus promise instant enlightenment, and all that thing is fake. So in the tradition, this is a wonderful technique. If your family is fighting, if there is moon ragu, if there is suicide, please do Brahma Yajna every day. It will help you to calm your mind, clear your aura and chakra. The connection with the lower astral will go away as a person. So this is a wonderful sadhana of doing Rishi Tarpana, in that you give Rishi to Kanda Rishi and to all the other great Rishis, and also you can do it the Bodhayana style or the normal style across the person. Now many African countries and many aborigines try to get connected to their ancestors. Now this is something which many people are not you have a system and a structure in India where you can get connected. And also the most important day is of Adi Amavasya, or that of Dhanur Amavasya, or that of Meena or Kanya Amavasya. They expect you to give the Tarpana. So please do give the Tarpana properly, and it can have a lasting impact where you will not have psychiatric problem, where you will not have a lot of difficulty across as a person. Sandhya Vandana is worshipping the Pitru, sun and the Rishis and the Navagrahas during the Sandhya Kal time. That is called Sandhya Vandana. Vandana means worship. Sandhya means the time in which you do the worship. And I request you to keep watching this channel, share it with people, and you will be able to find a lot of growth and meaning in your spiritual life. Thank you.